Just a quick video on how to remove the cables from the Epson TM-m30 receipt printer. And you'll notice there's some holes on the back bottom side of the printer. And to remove the back cover, you can just kind of grab it by the sides like this and pry away. And as you can see, it's basically clipped into place. Once you get the back cover off, you can remove the bottom cover by same thing, just kind of grab it from the sides and pull away. And that'll give you access to the network, USB, and power port. Now, to remove the power cable, you'll notice there's an arrow on it. If you grab it by the sides and pull up on it, that'll release the locking clips, and then you just kind of gently wiggle it out. And then to reinstall it, you just use some gentle force and push it until it clicks into place. Network cable, that's pretty typical. You just push down the little locking tab to release it and then pull it out. And this does use just your standard RJ45 network cable and USB type A cable. There's also a drawer release connection if you have a cache drawer with this printer. But yeah, so to reinstall the covers, you just need to be aware of their orientation. So the side with the little locking clips that stick out goes towards the back, and you just kind of push this down on there like that until it clicks into place. And when you install the back cover, I took the cables out just to get them out of the way, but you notice you have 3 different spots you can run the cables out, so you just want to align those cables whichever way is convenient, have them sticking out before you put the back cover on. But from there it just kind of clips into place. And yeah, so hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.